Today, I'm going to show you how to embed a pop-up on Google Sites using tools from Elfsight. Whether you're creating a personal or business site, adding a pop-up is a great way to engage visitors or share important information. Start by heading over to Elfsight and opening the Catalog section. In the search bar, type in Visitor to quickly locate the Visitor Counter widget. This widget helps track or display visitor numbers in real time. Once you find the widget, click to open it and browse through the available templates. Pick one that fits your site's style, then click Continue with this template. Customize the template to suit your needs. Personalization helps your pop-up communicate effectively. After customizing, click Publish and select the free version if you don't want to make any payment. Then click Copy Code. You'll need this HTML code to embed the pop-up on your Google site. Switch over to Google Sites, open the site you're working on, and click the Embed button at the bottom of the screen. Choose Embed Code, paste the code you copied from Elfsight, and click Next. Google Sites will show a preview. Finally, click Insert to add the pop-up to your site, and that's it. You've successfully embedded a pop-up from Elfsight onto your Google site. This